Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create this black and white out of frame photo effect in Inshot video editor. Open Inshot app, create a new video project with your photo. Go to filter, select adjust, reduce lightness to -10, set contrast to 10 and reduce saturation to -48. Next, go to PIP and add your image again. Make it full screen. Go to mask. Select the square shape mask. Reduce the size and add a white border. Set the border width to 10. Next, add your image again. Make it full screen. Go to cutout and remove the background. And here's the final result, a black and white out of frame photo effect. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button, comment down below and subscribe to the channel for more Inshot tutorials. Thanks for watching and much love I got for you. Peace.